Hello children, welcome to Maths class. How are you all? Hope everyone enjoyed last week and this week we have started back again with classes after a grand Diwali celebration. Hope you all enjoyed it, and today we are going to discuss about percentage and also selling price and cost price. Okay. Before that, if it comes to shopping, we talk about discounts. You would have experienced the word discount during Diwali purchase, isn't it? Okay. Let me talk about the same discount upon success. Success is never on discount. Greatness is never on sale. What does this mean? We cannot have a reduction on success. Success is fully defined. If we have to attain it, we cannot bargain for it. We have to work hard. We have to be devoted. Okay. What about greatness? It is never on sale. If one person attains greatness, some other person or we cannot go and ask for that greatness by transaction, isn't it? Greatness can be achieved by our own individuality, by our own efforts, by our own sincerity. It cannot be bought. It cannot be bought from others. Individually, we have to take effort to attain greatness and success. Greatness is never half off. It means that it is not on discount. It's all or nothing. We cannot have half greatness, quarter greatness. Okay. Either greatness is attained or not attained. Only two options are there. It's all day, every day. What does this mean? Greatness doesn't come once in a while or after completing this academic year. Greatness can be achieved every day. Greatness is there in all day. It's all day process. So you have to attain greatness every day to be successful in our life. Okay, greatness is never on discount. Success is never on discount. Okay, children, with this good positive thought, let us get into our today's session. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. In certain city, the population has decreased. So, what is the decrease in population? How much it has decreased? Can you say now? Yes. Original population was 25,000, or I can say earlier it was 25,000. Now it has decreased to 24,500. How much was it decreased? Yes, I have to subtract 25,000 and 24,500. How much is the difference? It is 500. Now what should I find now? Find the percentage decrease. I have to find decrease percentage or percentage of decrease. How to find it? What is the formula? Yes, change divided by original population into 100 percentage. Isn't it? We used to have it and change in amount, original amount into 100 percentage. Do you remember how much it has changed? 500 is the change. It has decreased by 500. What is the original population? Is it 24,500 or 25,000? From where it is changing? That's what you have to note it down. Is it changing from 24,500 to 25,000? Then we can say it is an increase. But here it is decrease. So from where it has changed? Is it from 25,000? From the question itself you can note. from 25,000 or from 24,500, from 25. Okay, so this is the original population I can have into 100 percentage. Okay, now we have to simplify it. Zeros get cancelled. It is 100 is 100, 250 hundreds are 25,000. Again, here 125 is 25, 225s are 50. So what is the percentage of decrease? 2%. Am I clear, children? Shall we move to the next question? See here, whenever I come up with these kinds of slides, you can write as I explain in your classwork note. You need not take extra time to take down this classwork note. If you have classwork note writing, homework note writing, then it will be a burden for you. As I teach you, you take down in your classwork note. See, now I am speaking. This time you can occupy yourself by completing it in drawing line. Okay, your note should also be neat. Shall we move to the next question now? Yes. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? First, list out what is known. What do I know? Cost price. I bought it. Bought it in the sense cost price. What is the cost price? 10,000. What are the other details they have given? They have given profit percentage is equal to 20%. Does it mean that profit is rupees 20? No, profit is 20%. You already know the formula for profit percentages. You can do this sum in two different ways. I will show you. This is profit by CP into 100. Isn't it? So what is profit percentage? 20. Do I know what is profit? No, I don't know. So I will have it as X. Do I know CP? Yes, it is 10,000 into 100. So if I simplify these two, I will have X by 100. I will transpose this to this side. So it is 20 into 100, which is equal to X. So what is profit? X is nothing but profit, isn't it? 2,000. What is profit now? It is 2,000. So you can easily say that selling price is cost price plus profit. We will add the profit, isn't it? So already it is 10,000 plus profit is 2,000. So the selling price will be 12,000. Is it clear, children? The other way around of finding this is, you can find profit as 20% of cost price. Okay. So 20 by 100 into what is cost price? 10,000. Now if you simplify this, again you will get the profit as 2,000. See, here also I got profit as 2,000. Here also I got the profit of 2,000. Okay. So this using the concept of percentage. Here we have used the formula. You can go in either way to calculate the profit. So profit is rupees 2,000. Then you can find the selling price as usual, CP plus profit. Okay, you know what is CP? It is cost price. Along with that price that I bought it, I have to add the profit. Okay, if I add it, I get 12,000. So selling price of the TV is going to be rupees 12,000. Okay, children. Now the next question is, Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? Okay, now here we are going to deal with SP, CP, loss. Okay. First list out what is given in the question. Sells a washing machine. So it is selling price. What is selling price? It is rupees 13,500. And what other thing we know? Loss percentage, which is equal to 20%. In previous question, we had CP and profit percentage. Okay. Here we have SP, selling price, and loss percentage. Here we used the formula of profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100, or I calculated using 20% of again CP. Can I make use of the same formula here also? If I have to make use of that formula, loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Do I know loss? How much loss have I? How much rupees? It is loss percentage and it is not the amount. It is just the percentage. Do I know the loss in rupees? No. Do I know CP? No. How to make use of this formula? Earlier in videos also I have explained this clearly. But again, this is a recap for you. When SP is known and CP has to be found, you have to take CP as X. Many of you will find this kinds of problem to be little tricky for you. So I myself have done 4 problems of this model so that you should not find difficult anymore. Okay. Hope you analyze the difference between the questions. Okay. So what will be the loss now? See, loss in the sense I am selling it for less money. Cost price will be more. So it will be X minus 13,500. Okay. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay children. Now I will substitute it here. What is loss percentage? 20. What is loss? X minus 13,500 divided by what is CP? Again X, which is into 100. In the sense we will have bracket here. Now cross multiply this. You will have 20x, which is equal to, multiply this 100 with both. Okay, don't forget it. You will have 100x minus 13500 and another 2 zeros are there. So we will have 13 lakhs 50,000. Okay. Now I will transpose this 1350000, 13 lakh 50,000 to left hand side and 20x to right hand side. So what will I get? 100 minus 20x. It means 80x. Here I will have 13 lakh 50,000 as such. Here again if I transpose this, see we can transpose either from left to right or right to left. So no wrong in having variable in the right hand side. If you feel uncomfortable, you can write 80x is equal to 13 lakh 50,000. Even that it is right. Okay. 50,000 divided by 80. Now I have to cancel it. 1 8 is 8. 5. How many times will you get? 7 8s are 56. So 6 8s are 48. 7 carry. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 4 carry. Okay. 7 8s are 56. Okay. You will get the same. 5 8s are 7 8s are 56. 5 5s are 5 8s are 40. So you will get that 16875 as your answer. So what is the cost price now? For how much did she buy? She bought it for 16,875. Okay, rupees 16,875 is the cost price. Hope you can cancel it easily and find